Everyone is talking about the newest cameras, 8K video, autofocus, crazy megapixels. But today, I'm going back to 25 years. This is the Canon PowerShot G2, only 4 megapixel, released back in 2001. And the big questions, can this old digital camera still create beautiful photos in 2026? Or is just an old piece of technology that everyone forgot? Look at this design. Honestly, when I first saw this camera, it doesn't feel like a normal digital camera. It looks like classic film camera. You have the silver body, the grip, the dials on the top. Everything feels mechanical and simple. Nowadays, cameras are becoming like computers, but this one makes you slow down and enjoy taking photos. Inside this camera is a 4 megapixel CCD sensor. Yes, only 4 megapixel. Your phone today probably has 10 times more resolution. But megapixels are not everything. CCD sensors have different characters. The colors, the highlights, the way it renders images. It has that early digital film vibe. And one thing that surprised me, Canon actually put a very good lens on this camera. It has 34 to 102mm equivalent zoom lens with f2 to f2.5 aperture. That's actually very big even compared to some compact cameras today. You can shoot street portraits every moment without changing lenses. After using this camera, I understand why people are bringing back all digital cameras. The images are not perfect, sometimes the focus is slower, the screen is small, but every photo has personality. Modern cameras give you perfection, old cameras like this give you feeling. Today, I'm taking this camera outside. No 4K video, no autofocus tracking, no modern features. Just me, this old Canon, and photography. Let's see if the 25-year-old camera can still create something special. So, is the Canon PowerShot G2 still worth using in 2026? For professional work, maybe not. But for fun, street photography, travel, and enjoying photography again? Absolutely yes. Sometimes you don't need the newest camera. You just need a camera that inspires you to shoot. If you love honest camera reviews, vintage cameras, and real-world photography tests, make sure to subscribe because I upload new photography and filmmaking content every week. This is RPHY SAMSTILL. Don't chase the newest gear, use what makes you want to create.